Another report we receive every morning is our SeedLive reports. So if we go to our email here, we've got our SeedLive report, and we only want to print the one that says sales activity by batch. And this is where you can find where it says that. You only want to print that. There are the weekly sales payment summary or pending payment summary. You don't have to worry about printing any of those. You'll just want to print the sales activity by batch. So you'll go ahead and open that. And I am going to print 3 separate ones because we do have a report from 3 separate devices, which means we are going to have a report from every location. So this one right here, 3587, is going to be our Shepherdsville location. Our 3587, or sorry, the 2576 is going to be our Henderson location, and 6207 here is going to be Evansville. We always go by the last 4 of our serial codes here, or device numbers here. So we are going to print out 3 of these because we need to log these in the 3 locations daily close drawer. So once we print those out, we can go into Shepherdsville first, since that's at the top of the report. We're going to go into merchandise purchase. And as you can see on the report, we have 2 cash purchases, both at $10. So that means there are 2 locks that were purchased. So we can go ahead and add the shopping cart. And as you can see here, it only shows up as $9.43, but the total down here does come to $10 after the tax has been added. So we'll hit OK. And since this was a cash method, we'll go ahead and we'll hit cash. And we will complete this transaction. We don't want to send a receipt. We'll hit OK. And I've already processed a previous merchandise purchase in Shepherdsville, so we don't have to process another one for cash there. So now we'll move down to this MasterCard purchase at Henderson. And this is another $10 purchase, so obviously another disc lock. So again, we're just going to bring up our Henderson location. We're going to go into merchandise purchase, select that disc lock. We're going to add that to shopping cart, and we're going to hit OK. So this one's going to be a little bit different than a regular card processing payment, since we are going to use this MasterCard. So we'll slide down and hit MasterCard, and we're going to put in the asterisk 1234. And for the expiration, as long as it is a later date than this month, it's okay. I like to do 11 or the current month and then the year of the upcoming year. So 11/22, since it is 11/2021. And you always want to put in the memo down here, or the authorization code, offline, and we're going to hit OK. So this is not going to charge this card. We're going to hit OK. Complete the transaction. We're going to go OK. We're not going to email a receipt. We're going to hit OK. So that's logged that one there for Henderson. And then we're going to move right along to our Evansville location, which this purchase was made with a Visa and another $10 purchase, so another lock. So back in merchandise purchase, we're going to select that disc lock. We're going to hit OK. We're going to go into Visa. And again, we're going to do that asterisk 1234, current month and a year ahead, so 2022. And then we're going to do an offline purchase. I'm going to hit OK, OK, yes. I'm not going to email a receipt, and we're going to hit OK. And that would be how you process these SeedLive reports. If you are in the office, you are able to just go ahead and file these in the daily close drawer. Obviously, Shepherdsville will go with Shepherdsville daily close, Henderson with the Henderson, and so on and so forth.